name is Raj Swaya, and I'm honored to be standing here today to ask for your vote for head boy or deputy. Let me tell you a bit about myself. I'm in 13A. My favorite subject is English language, and I've been in the school for about 10 years now, or since year 3. Over that time, it's become a second home to me. And you might also remember me from last year, if you were here last year. I ran for deputy head, and obviously I didn't win, but that experience helped me grow as a person, and it motivated me to reflect, improve, and come back stronger, which is why I'm standing here again today. But this speech, it's not about me, it's about you voting for me, so why should you vote for me? Some of you might also remember me from last year, when I was prepared to make a complete fool of myself as Bigfoot, to convince people to join the MUN-ECA. Was it ridiculous? Probably, yeah, but MUN taught me a lot about leadership, time management, and finding your voice in a room full of opinions. Chairing the conference especially gave me valuable experience in managing a classroom full of students who, although they were passionate, they were very loud. I was able to help them funnel their passion towards a common goal, which something I anticipate is gonna happen in our council this year. Now, I would like to share a couple of my ideas, if you would let me, for positive changes around the school. I think we could all agree that it is frustrating to see trash left around, the new canteen, more stuff. As head boy, I would strive to make efforts with the Sustainability Council to create meaningful incentives for people to actually pick up the trash. For example, I would maybe awarding house points or organizing cleanup challenges that would maybe motivate you guys to pick up your trash. Another focus for me, especially, is the school library. I feel it's a very important part of our school, and it would be beneficial to make it more inviting for everyone here, secondary students. I'd love to help organize a book drive where students could help donate books that they don't read anymore. This would refresh the library's collection, which would make it more relevant to you guys today, and it would preserve a valuable part of the school culture. I know I can't promise to fix everything. I'm not offering perfect solutions, but I am offering hard work, honesty, and willingness to listen. I'll always do my best to represent you and make a positive difference. Thank you for your time, and remember, a vote for Swaya is a vote for the school. Thank you.